Since my YouTube channel has crossed over 100 subscribers, it is time for some celebration. YouTube sent Creator Award to those who crossed 100,000, 1 million, and the massive 10 million subscribers, which is a huge number. So I decided to build my very own 100 subscribers play button. So without any more further delay, let's get started. So the first step is to make the play button itself using the LEDs. Here is the schematic to wire them up. Once all the LEDs are placed, use something to flip them over to start the soldering. I used another piece of PCB. For the soldering part, start from the outside and go inside by cutting off the extra leads. Once the soldering is done, it should look something like this. Don't worry, we can simply fix it by heating up both the leads and applying pressure on the other side. Once done, it should look something like play button. For the circuit part, we will need a microphone, LM358, 4017 IC, and a small piece of PCB. You can use the leftover PCB from the play button. Here it is how this thing works. Our microphone will be the input for the LM358, which will amplify it and give output to the 4017 IC, which will make the LEDs to react to the music. If you wish to build one for yourself, here is the entire schematic. For the soldering part, I started with IC base, then capacitor, resistor, and the microphone, soldered all of them together. Once done, I placed the LM358 and the IC4017 into their bases. For powering the whole thing, I used an old 9V power supply. Firstly, I removed the isolation, then soldered it to the main PCB, and then powered the main circuit and tested it using the single LED. As you can see, it worked flawlessly. For building the frame of the play button, we will need the MDF of the following measurements. Start by applying the glue to the MDF pieces. Once it is covered with the glue, stick the black paper to it. If you want, you can paint it as well. Similarly, do the same for all the MDF pieces on the both sides. For the next part, we will need a hot glue gun and this part, which you can find in any hardware store. First mark 1-inch line on all the pieces of MDF as shown. Then hold the middle piece perpendicular to the side piece of the frame on the 1-inch distance and put hot glue on a spot, and later add a part to give the frame rigidity. Once the glue settles, use more hot glue to secure the frame into the position. Similarly, do the same procedure for all the parts of the frame. Once done, frame is ready. Now drill 4 holes in the play button to secure it into the frame. Place the play button into the frame and mark the place where we need to drill the hole, and also drill a hole in the middle to pass the wires through. Now start soldering the wire to the play button. Once the soldering is done, pass the wires through the center hole, and then we will need screws and the spacer to secure the button into its place, as I have shown over here. Now start soldering the wire to the main PCB. When finished, we can start mounting the PCB on the back side of the frame. I mounted the main PCB on the back side leftover screws and used the pliers to tighten the screws. And for the power supply PCB, I used small amount of hot glue to fix it in the bottom. And using the zip ties made few cable management to make it look clean. And now for the final part, we will need a piece of glass to cover it. But before that, I stick down few stickers of YouTube and it was done.